In these two equations, we are asked to make t the subject of the formula. And what this implies is that we need to get t to stand on its own with the equal to sign in front. Stay through to the end of the video and watch how we do this within seconds. Now, first of all, this equation on number 1 says x over t plus k is equal to 16. We need to focus on the part that has the t, and this is the part, this side, the left-hand side. So we need to move this plus k to the other side so that t can stand on its own. So that becomes s over t is equal to 16 minus k. When plus k goes there, it becomes a minus. Then the next thing we do is to make this a fraction by dropping 1 so that we can cross multiply. S times 1 is equal to t open bracket 16 minus k. Alright? Now, s times 1 gives us s is equal to t open bracket 16 minus k. To get t to stand on its own, we simply divide both sides by the coefficient of t, which is 16 minus k, 16 minus k. So s is over 16 minus k is equal to t, because this takes this out, it becomes 1. So our t is just standing on its own, and t is giving us s over 16 minus k. The second equation looks rather different, but stay through so that we can see how to solve this in seconds. If you've seen us for the first time, welcome to Math with Ogale. All we do on this channel is to break down difficult mathematical concepts into the easiest forms such that everyone can understand. If you're a parent, a teacher, or a student that wants to really sharpen your math skills, welcome to the best online tutorial. Alright, so don't forget to like, give us a thumbs up as you continue to gain value, and also don't forget to subscribe so that you do not miss out on any of our math videos. Then we move to the second equation. This one says s is equal to the square root of t minus k. Don't get scared. What we can simply do is the first step is to remove this square root sign that is here. And for us to remove the square root sign that is here, we need to take squares of both sides. So what that simply means is, let's rewrite the equation. S is equal to square root of open bracket t minus k. So to take squares of both sides, it means just the way we divide both sides, whatever you do here applies here. Now, so this square here cancels the square root. That is the way it works. So we are left with s squared is equal to t minus k. Now, we need to get t to stand on its own, and minus k is still here, so we need to move it to the other side. So when minus k comes here, it becomes plus k. So let's work with that. S squared plus k is equal to t. It can also be rewritten as t is equal to s squared plus k. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that you do not miss out on any of our math videos. Till we meet again, this is Math with Ogale. Do have a nice day.